안녕하세요, it's Jia. Today we'll be making a dish that is popular these days in Korea. It's called jaggery. Jaggery is a local food from Chungcheong province and other locals didn't know well. However, these days it is popular nationwide. It often refers to a dish with pork and potato cooked in a spicy broth. And today we'll be making tofu jjaguri. Let's start from making a broth. We need only 1 cup of broth. So pour hot water to the jar and we're going to make a kelp broth. This is about 5 to 10 centimeters. And then put in hot water and it will make a very nice broth in about 20 minutes. Let's wait then. We need 1 stalk of green onion. Let's thinly slice them. Cut the vegetable in small pieces. Then shiitake mushroom. Take the stem part away. This is pretty thick, so I want to split this in half. And same as zucchini, let's cube them. Next is enoki mushroom. Take the root part away and cut them in about 1 centimeter sizes. It gives a nice texture to this dish. The chilies are optional, but it gives a nice kick to this dish. And I like the balance of salty and spicy. I'm using 1 green chili and 1 red chili. Smells spicy. The ingredients are all prepared. They're all chopped in small pieces and the green onion is thinly sliced. Let's heat the pan over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan and throw all the green onion to the oil before the oil is hot. Stir fry them until they are fragrant. Now we're going to stir in the zucchini and shiitake mushroom to it along with chilies. Going to stir fry for another 2 minutes until zucchini and the mushroom they are part cooked. Except for the enoki mushroom, just add everything, throw in here and then stir fry them. The vegetables are part cooked, so turn off the heat and we're going to move them to a bowl. They're not seasoned yet, so we're going to season it with doenjang, Korean soybean paste. This is 1.5 tablespoon of doenjang, soybean paste, and 1 teaspoon of gochujang, chili paste, Korean chili paste. Mix them well. We will cook tofu with this delicious sauce. So mix them well and then put this aside. And now we want to cut tofu. So don't cut all the way down. Cut it horizontally and vertically into small square. And cut it to half the height of tofu. In a small pot, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and carefully place tofu on the pot, in the pot. And put the veggie mixture on tofu. It looks really yummy. And pour in the pre-made broth to soak about 1/3 of tofu. so it shouldn't be too soupy. So we're adding about half cup of broth to the pot. We want to bring it to a boil. So don't fully submerge with broth. This is only the half of tofu, the height of tofu. And when it starts boiling, now we want to put the enoki mushroom on the top of tofu. Now reduce the heat. So check if it has a little broth. If it looks too dry, you can add some more broth to it. Cover with the lid, and we're going to simmer for another 5 minutes. It's cooked. This is a super easy weeknight meal. You can cook this in 30 minutes. This is normally served with rice, but if you reduce the amount of soybean paste and gochujang by 2/3, it can be a delicious balanced meal. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye bye.